Hello, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. Did you know that you can set up scheduled browsing sessions in Hāpara Highlights? You can schedule specific website links to open at the beginning of a class on your student's computer. To do this, first we're going to go to app.hāpara.com. We're going to go in and choose one of our classes, and that will take us to the Highlights landing page. Here are some great reasons for you to schedule a guided session in advance. If you have an online quiz planned, you will be able to schedule students' computers to open automatically at the start of a class, giving learners more time to work. If you know that you need to be away from the classroom and need to make subplans, you can schedule tabs to open so learners have everything they need. If you want to create a focused literature circle or a guided math session, you can prepare all the links in advance that the students need, which will free up time that you can spend with students who may need more support or small group instruction. If you want to support learners' executive functioning skills and their social emotional development, you can schedule guided sessions to prepare students for transitions and time management. To set up a guide browsing session template, go to the tab that says Guide Browsing. You can choose a focus session or a filter session with up to 10 links. We are going to start with a focus session. If you have not set up a guide browsing session template, you will start with Set up a focus session. You can enter up to 10 links for the students to focus on. You can choose the length of the session. We're going to go with 30 minutes. You can also differentiate. You can set up the session for the whole class, certain students, or specific groups. We're going to schedule this class for later. So I'm going to toggle this on. We're going to set this up for Tuesday, and we're going to set it up to start at 3 p.m. I'm going to save this as a template so I can go back later and reuse this or edit and add different links. So I'm going to click Save as a Template. You must enter a name. It's Volcano Research. And then I'm going to press Save. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to schedule the session so that I know it's going to start tomorrow at 3 o'clock. If I want to go in and I want to see what I have already scheduled, I click here on the Schedule tab. I can see the session that I set up right here on May 10th. I'm going to go back into here again. Now our template lives in here under Volcano Research. So if I want to get rid of it, I can delete it. If I want to open it again, I can review it. So I can change the links, I can change the time, and I can change the date. Thanks for watching today's tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out.